We could have a new COVID-19 vaccine booster in just a matter of days. This morning, the CDC's vaccine advisors are meeting to consider issuing a recommendation on the new shots.
It comes after the FDA authorized them yesterday, and now we're going to hear from a local expert about why this is actually very important. We go to our Larissa Scott live from Tampa with what the next steps could look like. Larissa?
Well, these new boosters are expected to offer much better protection, and you could get one soon after Labor Day. But the CDC's recommendation is the final step in this process before any shots can go into arms.
But as soon as they say it's okay, you can start shipping.
Health officials are preparing to roll out millions of new COVID-19 boosters. The Biden administration has secured 171 million doses of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. And the government has already made about 20 million doses available for pre-order for states, primary care providers, pharmacies, and clinics. Now, this is in anticipation of the CDC giving the final green light for the updated shots. The FDA issued emergency use authorization for Pfizer and Moderna's new COVID-19 boosters that target both the original Wuhan strain from the beginning of the pandemic and the current most prevalent Omicron subvariants, BA4 and BA5. This authorization process has been different, though. The FDA moved forward much faster with these updated boosters than previous shots.
What happens in this particular case is very little component of the vaccine changes. The actual antigen, the spike protein, changes. But the background, the mRNA tech, is exactly the same.
Pfizer's new shot is a 30 microgram dose for anyone 12 and older, and Moderna's updated booster is a 50 microgram dose for people 18 and older. If the CDC recommends these shots, you can only get one if you're up to date on your other vaccines, including the original booster.
So you want to make sure if you haven't gotten that booster, get it now. Then once you're out 3 months, you can get this new guy.
This would be the first time Americans can get a COVID-19 vaccine that targets all of these strains. Health experts say it's important because there's a serious potential for a viral resurgence this fall and winter, and not only could these new shots offer more protection now, but they could also help with long COVID down the line.
The data that's coming out about long COVID in the last couple of weeks is pretty bad. Seeing changes on MRIs, seeing potentials with blood clots, and seeing things like this, that increase in cardiovascular events that occurs post-COVID, it's real. It's all very, very real.
And the meeting starts at 10 o'clock this morning. The vote is scheduled for 4:30 this afternoon, and we'll, of course, keep you updated on what happens there on abcactionnews.com. For now, I'm live in Tampa. Larissa Scott, ABC Action News.